Hello everyone, welcome back to the Guru Diksha channel. Let's begin our one more part of statistics. In previous lecture, we saw some job roles. Now learn about some professions. Let's discuss. Statistician, data analyst, data scientist, business analyst, business intelligence, and research scientist are the top most professions. Let's start with statistician. A statistician is a person who works with theoretical or applied statistics. The profession exists in both private and public sectors. Statisticians work with formulas and data to help solve problems in industry, academia, and government. Statisticians analyze data and apply mathematical and statistical techniques to help solve real world problems in business, engineering, healthcare, and other fields also. Skills required to become a statistician. Statisticians typically need a master's degree, but at some entry level companies also accept with a bachelor's degrees. Okay, let's discuss which practical problems can do statisticians at business, engineering, or the other fields. They decide what data are needed to be answered, specific questions or problems, determine methods, design surveys or opinion polls. Later we know about the surveys and the opinion polls. Collect data. We can discuss also it later about the collection of data. Analyze and interpret data, report conclusion from their analysis. Let's start with data analyst. Before going to start with data analyst, we must know about what is data analysis. Data analysis is a process of inspecting, transferring, and model data with goal of discovering useful information supporting decision making. Now come with data analyst. A data analyst collect, process, and perform statistical analysis on large data sets. Data analysts need to work on their soft skills. They discover how data can be used to answer questions and solve problems. Which skills required to become a data analyst? Skills required: SQL, Microsoft Excel, critical thinking, R or Python statistical programming, data visualization like Tableau or Power BI, and some presentation skills. The ability to analyze, model, and interpret data, problem solving skills, a method and logical approach, the ability to plan work and meet deadlines, accuracy, and attention to detailation of giving results. Okay, let us know more about data analyst. Well, quite a lot. Data analysts extract and analyze data with a can-do approach and then present data-driven insights to underpin decision making. They also develop and build analytic models and approach as the basis of company strategy and vision. The exact technical skills for data analyst: programming and coding language skills using Python, or expertise in SQL and good understanding of how relation database system work. Tableau experience with large data sets, excellent Excel skills, ability to use advanced analytics and formula, experience with extracting and analyzing data from diverse source, knowledge of statistics and statistical software packages, quantitative methods, confidence intervals, sampling, and test control cells, predictive modeling. Practical skills need for data analyst: hands-on problem solving skill, ability to communicate the results of analysis in a clear and effective manner, a proactive approach to solving problems, quick learning skills, advanced analytical and data interpretation skills, ability to initiate and drive projects to completion with minimal guidance, strong attention and detail to quality check your own work to ensure data mistakes. If you want the scope of your work as a data analyst and more impact, you need to gain in-depth understanding of how business work and how to apply data to reach practical business solutions.